Hey guys, I'm back again with a storm of some awesome news. The latest Galaxy S9 leak left little to the imagination as it confirms details about the specifications and features of the upcoming flagship from Samsung. A few days ago, a retail employee based in the US provided more details about the handset on Reddit after playing with the device, but that thread has since been deleted. A similar thread has now been posted by another Reddit user who claims to have spent 2 hours with the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus during a training session. The retail rep says that he had this Galaxy S9 hands-on experience with the new Exynos 9K10 power variant. It appears that the exhaust variants were used for training purpose, given that Samsung only sold the Snapdragon 845 variants officially in the United States. We already know that the new flagship Duo looks quite similar to the Galaxy S8 in terms of design, and that has been reiterated in this thread. The main design differences include the repositioned fingerprint sensor and slightly smaller bottom bezel. The user interface is also said to be pretty similar to the existing flagship. It's also claimed that Samsung has made some UI changes to the native camera app. You no longer have to swipe right to choose between the different camera modes. The camera modes are laid out on the top of the app, from where users can tap to select the one they want. The live focus feature will be limited to the Galaxy S9 Plus, which features a dual camera setup. Those who opt for the Galaxy S9 will have to make do with selective focus. Samsung has been teasing a 3D emoji feature for the Galaxy S9 Duo, and this Galaxy S9 hands-on experience thread confirms that this AR emoji feature is present on board. It was reported that this feature will be more advanced than Apple's iPhone 10 emoji, and these users believe that to be the case, users first have to take a picture of themselves, which is then created into an animated character. Once the avatar is created, the handset makes stickers and GIFs of the AR emoji that can then be used across social media apps and in text messages. The rumored super slow motion video feature will be present as well, with the ability to capture video at 960 frames per second. However, no details have been provided about the resolution. Another interesting feature mentioned in this thread is the live lock screen. It lets users take a short video which they can set as their lock screen. The 7-second clip will autoplay as soon as the display screen is turned on. One might think that this would be horrible thanks to the battery life. The rep claims that the Samsung trainer told them this feature barely uses a battery. The multiple reports about Galaxy S9 featuring stereo speakers have been confirmed by this Reddit user as well. The Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus feature AKG tuned stereo speakers that offer surround sound experience with the bottom firing speaker and the earpiece, which also doubles as the front facing speaker. Bixby will be on board as well, and it's going to be more useful than before. It gets a new live translation feature which uses augmented reality to translate font in real time. This means that users can just point the camera at a sign and Bixby Vision will translate it in real time and even plays a translation over the actual text. That's going to be pretty cool. During this Galaxy S9 hands-on experience, the retail rep didn't find any evidence to report recent reports that Samsung will launch a new social network called OSIP or UHSSUP. I can't translate it. The trainer didn't say anything about it and no app was present on the handsets. That only leaves the possibility that Samsung will announce it alongside the Galaxy S9 and release the app later if OSIP really exists. Performance-wise, the handset is said to be better than its predecessors, but that doesn't really come as a surprise. The battery sizes are retained at 3000 mAh and 3500 mAh for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus respectively. No word as yet on the pricing for this handset for customers in the United States, but Samsung will have a trade-in offer which will give customers up to $350 off for trading in an existing device for the Galaxy S9. This Galaxy S9 hands-on experience paints a detailed picture of the upcoming flagships and the features that it's going to offer. It seems that there will be little that Samsung will be able to surprise us with come February 25th when it officially launches the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So now let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. I'm really excited about this handset. Now your turn. Let me know in the comments down, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the upcoming Dell Tech videos like this. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.